Hello friend, this is Samir. I'm responsible to deploy embedded EWM in S4HANA platform 1909. I'm also responsible to deploy greenfield implementation, bluefield implementation, and brownfield implementation of S4HANA software for the latest version 1909 and so on. Here we have a big question that should we deploy embedded EWM in S4HANA 1909 instead of decentralized SCM EWM? There are 7 reasons which are applicable for business value key drivers. As a responsible warehouse manager, I am responsible for achieving better inventory turnover ratio, visibility in the inventory accuracy, elimination of stock out condition, and last but not the least, to reduce holding cost. First reason is the no core interface for master data transfer process. It results no double maintenance, no data redundancy, no data loss, and last but not the least, no interface related errors, whatever we are facing in decentralized SCM EWM. We can use S4HANA business partners like customer, vendor, and employee involving customer-vendor integration process. We know that a customer can be a vendor of a company. Similarly, a vendor can be a customer of a company. On the other side, an employee can be a vendor or a customer of a company like Amazon and Flipkart. We can utilize central product master of S4HANA system in embedded EWM platform because both are on the same software. There is a direct uses of S4HANA customizing objects in EWM platform. For example, we can use HU types and serial number objects in EWM template. Direct read of purchase order of S4HANA platform. Hence, there is no need to have expected goods receipts of SCM EWM platform. We have predefined and pre-configured warehouse structure as well as we have sample master data to enable a demo system in embedded EWM process in S4HANA 1909 edition. Last but not the least, we have got Fury Apps Launchpad, which enables us unified user experience for all UI5 innovative technologies. So these technologies involves in-memory capability, column table, machine learning, robotics process automation, and last but not the least, predictive analytics features. So in-memory capability of S4HANA having the advantage of making the display of complex report as well as execution of complex business transactions within millisecond. We have got column structure table which remove the RDBMS table, it results to reduce the searching time of a complex query within a millisecond. Also, we can use the predictive analytics based on the historical data to enable quick decision making for a responsible warehouse manager. So these are the 7 important reasons which are unavoidable for any business value key drivers entitlement across the globe. If you have any question, you can call me at my WhatsApp number 0091 9211 70527 for any clarification and way forward activities to simplify your complex warehouse operation within 3 months. So this is our commitment from the SAP specific greenfield, bluefield and brownfield implementation journey for embedded warehouse platform. Thank you and be safe. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching the video clip. Thank you.